Hello, my name is Rohit Sinha. I am from Uttar Pradesh, Bareilly. I have done my graduation in engineering from KIT Kanpur in the year 2017. After completing my graduation, I was looking for the job opportunity in IT sector, but I was not able to get any job opportunity. So one of my friend uh, tell me about Evision Technoserve. So I enrolled in Evision Technoserve, and after joining Evision Technoserve, they taught me various IT domain modules like cybersecurity, CCNA, ITIL, Windows administration, and many more. So it was a 45 days of online job internship where I learned all these modules, and after completing all these modules, I was placed in one of the top MNC company with a salary package of 3 LPA. So all the faculty members and HR were very much helpful during my journey. So I want to suggest those who want to switch their career in IT sector, they should join Evision Technoserve because it is one of the best platform where you can learn various modules related to IT and also can get a secure job in MNC company. Thank you.